Welcome to the world of aquaponics, where fish and plants work together in harmony to create a sustainable, eco-friendly farming system. Today, we're diving deep into how aquaponics could revolutionize the future of agriculture. So, what exactly is aquaponics? It's a unique combination of aquaculture, or fish farming, and hydroponics, which is growing plants without soil. In this closed-loop system, fish waste provides nutrients for plants, and the plants filter and clean the water for the fish. It's a win-win situation for both. The concept of aquaponics isn't new. In fact, its roots trace back to ancient civilizations like the Aztecs, who used similar methods to grow food. But it's only recently, thanks to modern technology, that aquaponics has gained global attention for its potential to reshape agriculture. Here's how it works. Fish live in tanks and produce waste, which contains ammonia. Beneficial bacteria break down the ammonia into nitrites and then into nitrates, which plants love. The plants take up these nutrients, cleaning the water, which is then recirculated back to the fish tanks. This symbiotic relationship ensures that both fish and plants thrive. There are a few different types of aquaponic systems. Media-based systems use grow beds filled with gravel or clay pebbles. Deep water culture, DWC, keeps plant roots submerged in nutrient-rich water, while the nutrient film technique, NFT, uses a shallow stream of water flowing past the roots. Each system has its pros and cons, depending on your goals and available space. Why choose aquaponics? It's an incredibly efficient use of water, using up to 90% less water than traditional farming. And because aquaponics is a closed-loop system, it doesn't rely on harmful pesticides or synthetic fertilizers, making it a truly organic method of growing both plants and fish. But aquaponics isn't without its challenges. Setting up a system can be expensive, and it requires careful balancing of pH, temperature, and nutrient levels for both the fish and the plants. It's a delicate ecosystem that needs constant monitoring to ensure success. The type of fish you choose is essential to the success of your aquaponic system. Tilapia, catfish, and trout are popular choices due to their adaptability and fast growth. However, you'll need to manage their health and growth rates carefully to maintain the balance between fish waste production and plant nutrient uptake. On the plant side, leafy greens like lettuce, spinach, and herbs are well suited for aquaponics. Though with the right setup, you can even grow tomatoes, cucumbers, and strawberries. Different plants have different nutrient needs, so you'll need to tailor your system accordingly. Aquaponics is not only efficient, but also sustainable. It drastically reduces water consumption compared to traditional farming and eliminates the need for chemical fertilizers. Plus, it offers a way to grow food in urban environments, making it ideal for addressing food security challenges. Want to try aquaponics at home? It's possible. With a few materials like a fish tank, grow bed, and a water pump, you can create your own small-scale system. Just remember, you'll need to keep a close eye on water quality, fish health, and plant growth. Especially as a beginner, the future of aquaponics is bright. As technology advances, commercial-scale systems are becoming more viable. Innovations like automated monitoring, better energy efficiency, and integration with other farming technologies could make aquaponics a key player in the future of sustainable agriculture. In conclusion, aquaponics is a powerful tool for growing food sustainably, conserving water, and reducing environmental impact. Whether you're looking to farm on a commercial scale or just want to experiment at home, aquaponics offers endless possibilities. Explore this fascinating world, and let's continue to innovate for a more sustainable future. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into the future of farming and food production.